What are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. Go the other way.
Take the wheel. What?
Oh yeah, sure. Retractable steering wheel. No problem. That's perfectly normal.
Reverse.
Shoot that son of a bitch. Move! Clear the street! Shoot the driver!
Max is bulletproof. 180 now. Don't stop.
What do I know that you need so bad?
That's why you're here. To find out.
You're not crazy. You never have been. Do you find yourself drawn to places you've never been?
The visions you've had your entire life aren't hallucinations. They're memories.
You're talking about reincarnation.
The legend never die, you get reborn.
We call ourselves the Infinite. We remember skills from all our past lives. It takes 10,000 hours to master a skill. How could you be after 1,000,000 hours?
Pretty damn good. What do I know that you need so bad?
That's why you're here. To find out.
We have fought one another for centuries. But you can't stop what's coming. The end of all things.
Is he blocked? Well. We're gonna have to reset your memory.
You're gonna drown me? I got a thing about drowning.
Which is...
I don't like it.
You know what, man? I like you this time around.
Shut up and turn it on. That's perfectly normal.
Kill them all.
There's still time. Time. No more time.
Leap of faith, Tom.